Okay, this is the video with my bird. Ignore the sound in the background.
We have made this little airbrush. So the blue ones.
He's a nice boy. Good boy. What you looking at, boy? Wanna play with Pájaro? La Pájaro? Wanna play with him? Meow.
That's a good question. What's that gut of yours say?
4 years ago, that Paulson was guilty.
Didn't mean 4 years ago.
Paulson is not ready for the bank job.
Says Nash because Nash is the one man who got John. So,
You got
was you got wrong 4 years ago?
I mean,
Was it wrong?
fat.
Our job is not to reopen Paulson's case. Just catch him.
Yep. Paulson's already reopened his case.
Doesn't matter what our job is.
No.
Now we have to reopen it too.
Smart kid.
I watched NCIS.
Public defender who represented Paulson is out on maternity leave.
He's being a nice boy.
Naval reservist deployed to Iraq to
Let's go.
Killed by an IED last month.
Unless we find someone familiar.
You wanna bite my finger? Go ahead. Bite my finger.
Anticipate Paulson's next move. Relax. Gibbs brought in
Beep, beep, beep.
sticks. No one knows Paulson better than him.
Okay, this is just a short video about a little bit about him. So this video is over, and oh, it fell. Okay, you should see it fall again. If only I could use slow motion. Here you go, boy.
Thank you.
Okay, it fell. Then this is tail feathers. Okay, this video is now terminated in 3, 2, 1.